beauties, I hope you're having a lovely day. As you see, I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever. I just have a lip balm on. That's it. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about magical serum that helps to grow lashes. So the serum that I use at the moment is by Mayraki Professional Growth Solution Lash and Brow Restoration. Wake up the hair, frosticles, promote eyelash growth. Professionally gorgeous. So basically it's a lash growth system. So you get like a free bottles, and then you get like a nourishing serum thing after you finish these free growing serums. So basically what you need to do, you take one bottle from these ones, like a smaller ones, like this. You have like a little applicators as well, and then what you do, you just apply it on close to a lash line and on the brows if you wish, morning and evening. I'm gonna insert a picture to show you how my lashes look before and how my lashes looks now. I've been using now this for like 4 weeks, I think, and I even did a video when I was doing a lash lift, which I think was my mistake, because when I did that video I was already using this lash growth serum. Because now my lashes, I just hope you guys see, I mean, it's so long that it's curling in because I have such a hooded eyes, so the lashes like kind of get stuck in my hood and curls in, so I don't really know what to do. I never had that long natural lashes. I'm not talking about lash extensions, but I never had that long natural lashes. I use the serum a bit on my brows as well, but my brows are naturally bushy, so I'm not gonna say, oh my god, this is a miracle, because if you've been following my channel, you know that I have kind of bushy brows, but I was applying a bit on the brows as well, because I have like an empty gap in here to grow my hair a bit here, and look at that. The hair is there, so definitely works. So I'm just gonna insert a quick video on how to use this, and then all you do is just dip that pipette, apply on your lash line very close to the lashes, and then like one layer on your lash line, and then on your brows they say to apply like 3 or 5 layers. I was usually going only with one because I say my brows are pretty bushy, if I can say so. So I didn't really need that for my brows. I was concentrating more on the lashes, and like you guys, oh my god. So coming back to present time, that's how much I used so far. Like, you see how much is still left in there, and I've been using already like for a month. I think I would probably use it faster if I would use properly on the brows, like they say to do 3-5 layers, because I did only like 1 on the brows and mainly concentrated on my lashes. What I forgot to mention actually about this brand is cruelty free and vegan friendly. It's paraben free and it's sulfate free, which is very important, so there's no nasty ingredients that would damage your lashes or, you know, affect your eyelids or your lashes or anything like this in any way. It's only good ingredients, like the actual good ingredients. So the ingredients, you know, vitamin B3, B6, B2, B1, niacinamide even, like it's only good ingredients in here, which is absolutely amazing. I think, you guys, if I could brag about this more, I would, because I haven't even finished 1 bottle. Like, I'm still using the same one when you have 3 in total. So I don't know how long it's gonna last because I'm already using over a month. So you have 3 bottles and then a nourishing serum to finish the treatment. Yeah, so I've been using now for around a month, I think. My lashes are insanely long. Like, especially not wearing any mascara now or anything on my brows, because I want you to see how long my lashes and like how bushy my brows look just now. I just hope you guys are able to see how long it is. I mean, it's so long that it's curling into my crease because my eyes are so hooded. You know that I'm always super honest with my reviews, and you know, if a product is shit, I'll tell you that it's shit. This, by the way, the Mayraki they sent me, this was part of my PR. They didn't ask me to do video, to be honest. They just were kind enough to send me to try this, and oh my god, like I'm totally hooked. The way your lashes grows, the lash cycle is anything between, you know, 3 weeks to 3 months can be. It depends in which state your lashes are. So maybe my lashes was in that state that, you know, grows off faster, because your lash is constantly, you know, changing. It falls out and then new grows and falls out and new grows. So that's how the lash serum works. It promotes your lashes grow, you know, faster and longer. So I'll see how it's gonna go. I'll check the comments below. I'm gonna update on this in the future. By the way, I got discount code for this as well. If you guys will want to check this out for yourself, I'm gonna insert in here and I'm gonna link it below in my description box if you wanna check this in the future. As I'm filming this video, it's early in the morning, so I haven't applied this serum yet, and as I said, they say to apply morning and evening, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply in front of you. So it comes with these little like cotton buds kind of things, like applicators. Dip in and then go close to a lash line. I find that one dip is enough for both eyelids. And then what's left, I just go to the brows. They say to go 3-5 layers on the brows, but my brows are quite bushy naturally, so don't really see a point to apply too many layers of it. I better concentrate on lashes. Really wasn't expecting that result. If I could recommend it a million times, I would. Alright, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go and quickly apply some product on the brows and apply the mascara, so maybe you can get a better image of how long my lashes are, because it's long. You'll see how it looks with mascara, because I think now you can't really see, you know, too much how long it is because there's no product on. When I'm gonna put mascara on, I'm sure you guys gonna see the impact of that, so I'm just gonna quickly do that. And I'm back, guys. As you see, I did makeup. I didn't go like super glam or anything. Very kind of natural, at least for me. It didn't go big because my lashes are big enough. I mean, just check for yourself. I didn't use some kind of no fiber mascara or anything. I used the b.u.beauty full frontal because I'm black mascara. The reason I use it is because of a brush, because it's like very thin on one side, so that was easier to apply the mascara. Because you guys, my lashes are so long, it looks like I have like fiber mascara on or something like this, because it's bending inwards. Like, this is ridiculous, you guys. I hope you can see, like, it's bending inwards. I never thought I'm gonna complain in my life when my lashes are too long. This is like ridiculous. Like, I can't stress enough how good this product is, because I didn't even finish one bottle, like this bottle, can I call it bottle? It looks like a bottle. And we have 3 in total, plus the extra serum to maintain the look of the lashes and brows if you're using it for brows. If I could recommend this more, I would recommend this more, because it's like a miracle serum. I mean, look how long my lashes are. That long that it bends in my crease because my eyes are so hooded. So I think I'm gonna finish this bottle, then I'm gonna take a break for like a month, and then I'm gonna go with the rest, like in intervals like this with the breaks, because otherwise my lashes, I don't know how long it can get. Like, can it get even longer? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up, hit that button to subscribe. It's gonna majorly support my channel. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of this video, if you found this helpful, what you'd like to see next up on my channel. If you have any questions about this lash growth serum, as I said, it doesn't have any side effects. If you're wondering about that, it's not harmful for you, for your lashes, for your skin, or anything like that. It's all natural ingredients, cruelty free, vegan friendly, no nastiness, no nothing at all. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any questions about it, or what you'd like to see next up on my channel, if you enjoy watching my reviews. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao for now.